Hello, I'm Michelle McPhee, and we're making one of my family's favorite holiday dishes, which is cornbread dressing. I like to start making a homemade cornbread, and I like to use half whole wheat flour, half white flour, and I omit the sugar because I want to keep the dressing savory, not sweet. After I put the cornbread together, it's going in the oven, it'll bake. I can even do this a day ahead of time. Once it's cool enough to handle, you can crumble it all up. Then you add your fresh ingredients. You add onion, celery. I like to add some chopped spinach, freshly chopped spinach, and I'm using canned mushrooms. And I use sage for my seasoning, and you want to salt to taste. Now, the cornbread already has salt in it, so you're just going to need enough salt to help with the onions, the celery, the spinach. Then I'm going to beat a couple of eggs. You can use one, you can use two. They're kind of the glue that hold the cornbread dressing together. So today's video I used two. I beat them up, I added some water. Overall, you're going to add about a cup and a half, maybe 2 cups of water to your dressing. So you can see the consistency I got there. Once you've got it all mixed together, you'll put it in a greased pan and bake it in the oven. Now, how you bake it in the oven will determine your final product. So my mother-in-law, when she baked hers, she liked to cover it with foil, cook it in a low heat oven, 325, for several hours, and it was kind of solid as it came out because it kind of steamed with the foil and cooked very slowly. I like mine a little bit different, and mine is also forgiving if you got a little too much water in there. I like to bake it in the oven without the foil, and I'll come partway through and stir it up to let steam escape out of it because I like our dressing a little bit drier, and my husband especially likes the crispy edges that form along the edges of the dressing. So it's really a forgiving recipe. Add the amount of fluid you think you want, and then you can adjust your cooking time and temperature. Sometimes I'll turn mine up if it's not cooking as fast as I want, or stir a little bit more often to get more steam out. If it's cooking faster than you want, reduce your oven temperature, put foil on it, keep that steam in there. I hope you'll give this recipe a try, and I hope your family will enjoy it at least half as much as ours does.